Enterprises invest heavily to protect their most sensitive data assets. Discovery without action won't stop breaches. Leveraging BigID and Kiteworks together does. Security teams use data security posture management to find and label sensitive data. But when that data moves through email, file sharing, managed file transfer, data forms, or APIs, the labels don't enforce themselves. The gap between knowing and controlling creates exposure. BigID and Kiteworks close that gap. BigID discovers and labels your sensitive data. Kiteworks automatically enforces policies whenever that data is shared, turning labels into real-time action across email, file transfer, MFT, APIs, and forms. The results deliver immediate value. Automated enforcement based on sensitivity labels. Zero trust controls for data in motion and in use. Unified, immutable audit logs for compliance. With seamless flow between sensitive data discovery and protection. From healthcare to finance to supply chain, BigID discovers what's sensitive. Kiteworks controls how it's shared. One integrated approach closes the gap between knowing and protecting. BigID and Kiteworks, from discovery to enforcement. Know your data. Control your data. If it's private, kite it.